Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this little Gigi Hadid inspired makeup look. Look nothing like Gigi.
A girl can dream.
But this is me trying to recreate the makeup that she had on. Also, I just filmed this intro and I have my lip gloss smudge, so currently having to do it all again. So love that for us. If you're excited for this look, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn on the little post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's get on with the makeup tutorial. Yeah, so I've already actually moisturized and done like half of my hair. I've curled it all, but I haven't like fully like brushed it out and styled it in the way I want it. We're like halfway there on the hair basically. I'm just wearing this hairband to keep it out my face. I've already moisturized, right? And I'm gonna use this Illamasqua gel thing that I used in my last video, I wanna say. It's actually like so good. Like I did not expect it to be this good, but it's well nice. It's like a weird jelly formula, but it's like so good. Like you'll know the only other primer I use is my Hangover X primer. That used to be the only primer I ever used. Like this is the second primer that I found that I actually like and will use. So I think Patrick Tar is her makeup artist, so he probably did this as well. He's insane. He like tends to focus most of his makeup on like skin. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever foundation in the shade Y315 because I'm pale. I thought this was a good time to do it because Gigi is like kind of has a similar skin tone to me when I'm like pale. And then I'm gonna mix together the Giorgio Armani in the shade 4.5. This is the Luminous Silk. I'm gonna put a couple pumps of that, 1 pump of my Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and some of my Anastasia Liquid Glow. So I'm mixing together 3 foundations and liquid highlighter.
We love being extra. My voice just cracked. That is kind of gross.
Cool, so I'm gonna dot that onto my skin. Right, I'm gonna blend that out with my Morphe sponge. It's so damp, I just cleaned it. Guys, can we just say I'm like wearing a bra in this video?
Like that's how lazy I am.
Ooh, I've never used this combination before. She's kind of living for it.
Oh, I see you, girl, I see you.
Barbie who? Never heard of her.
Oh my god, I'm quaking.
So I'm really like working that into the skin. Pressing it in so it looks like it's like my skin kind of, even though we all know it's not. So it actually looks super light coverage, so.
Oops.
So if you want, you can go for more of a light coverage foundation because it doesn't look very heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way super coverage concealer and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. It's a bit dark for me because I haven't got any tan on. How many times can I say it's a bit dark for me because I haven't got any tan on? Yeah, I'm gonna go over the top of it with a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 05 because this is super pale, so it will help to highlight and everything. I'm also gonna apply this slightly in the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. Yeah, should be fine. And now I'm gonna go in with my cream contour. I'm mixing together a couple of the darker shades, but not like the really dark ones because I'm not that tanned. You guys know I'm obsessed with cream contour at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out under my eyes. I learned this trick from Patrick Star, not Patrick Tar, Patrick Star. That if you leave your concealer on for like, whilst you do your like cream contour, whatever you want to do, it like sets a little bit, not so much where you can't blend it out, but it like sets a little bit and gets more full coverage, which is good when you have as dark under eye circles as I do. And I'm gonna go ahead and lightly set that with my Laura Mercier powder. Yeah, I'm gonna focus this powder under my eye. Can I just say you definitely want to apply this powder with some type of sponge because Gigi's skin looked really like dewy, like had a really natural finish. So obviously like powder doesn't really give you a natural finish, it gives you a really matte finish. But if you press it into the skin, it's really undetectable. And if you like apply like setting sprays and stuff like that afterwards, you can bring that like dew back into your skin. Because her skin was so dewy, you guys could use a lighter layer of powder if you wanted to. I just always like to
pack on the powder.
So I'm doing my eyes now, so I've just brought you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing a bit more. So Gigi always tends to either use like warm toned brown shades or like a mauvey sort of purpley shade. And she never goes like with a lot of eyeshadow. It's always really natural with the focus on the skin. So I'm gonna try do that today because Lord knows
I do a lot of eyeshadow.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Secret from the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of Play. I'm gonna apply that through my crease. Gigi has a completely different eye shape to me, guys, by the way, so that's fun. So just keep like blending it through until it's like almost like undetectable, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm just still blending those 2 shades through my crease until you can almost not even tell that it's there. Yeah, I'm gonna apply Daydream from this palette, which is this one right here, all over my eyelid.
I don't know how it looks so natural. I just don't get it.
I'm just going to accentuate the outer corner of my eye slightly with the shade Raw, which is this one right here. I'm going to apply it into my outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my liquid liner quickly. I might actually do it off of camera because I don't really want to mess it up, and then I'll be back with you to finish off the face. I'm also gonna do my brows and lashes because I never do them on camera, let's be honest here. And my eyebrows are nothing like Gigi Hadid's. Like, hers are like a natural and like fluffy.
And mine are like thick ass, like caterpillars on my face.
So that's not gonna work. Guys, I am so happy with how this look is turning out now that I've got the lashes on. These are like little individual lashes. I think they're from House of Lashes. I stuck on 3 short ones on each eye and 1 medium one on each eye, and this is how it's looking. I'm really liking it. I'm moving back onto the skin now, and I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer, and I'm going to apply that over where we applied the cream contour earlier, just to bronze up my skin. Ooh, the foundation's gone weird there. What the hell? That's so weird. Oh well. So I am more tan than Gigi from what I can tell from that photo, even though I've got no tan on right now. I guess I'm just a bronzed goddess. That was sarcasm, by the way, guys. Cool, I'm gonna stop with the bronzer there because I don't want to get too tan.
First time you'll ever hear me say that.
Okay, I'm going in with this Hourglass Incandescent Electra blush, and I'm mixing it with a little bit of this Peppermint Mocha palette by Too Faced, the blush at the bottom. And I'm just gonna apply that onto my cheeks because she looks like she's quite a pinky blush going on. You guys know I don't really wear blush, but Gigi does, so I will. I'm gonna move back onto my eyes now, and I'm gonna go in with this Kryolan eye pencil. It's like a duo-ended eyeliner. It's brown on one end and black at the other. I'm gonna go in with the brown side because she definitely had eyeliner in her waterline, but I don't think it was black. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my new nude palette. I'm gonna take the shade Raw and Tickle, which is this one here, and I'm gonna mix them together, and I'm really gonna hug it to my lower lash line. I'm going back in with my Peach Fizz by Anastasia now, and I'm gonna just apply that on my finger, just onto my cheekbones. I was about to be like Gigi or Bella, then I was like, let's not put them up against each other, we're all queens here.
Ew, that was the cringiest thing I think I've ever said in my life. I did not like that at all.
I'm gonna take this all the way onto like the actual apple of my cheek, so right here. That, when you bring it all the way down, that's when you can see it, so you can see it on my face now. I don't really like the look of it, but I'm gonna apply highlight there. Do you see what I'm saying? You can see the lines on my face. I'm going in with the Mary Luminizer by The Balm now, and I'm gonna apply that over the top. This is on an A23 brush.
I don't even know if she had highlighter up there. What am I doing? I'm going rogue.
I don't even think she did, I'm weak. She looked really dewy right on the apples of her cheeks though, like right here. Fix Plus. I use a lot of it because that's the only way it really works, I think. Oh, her lips are pretty. I actually have a lip gloss that's so similar to that, and I'm gonna use it. I just need to find it. Give me 2 minutes and I will find this lip gloss that I want to use. I'm kind of an, ow, that really hurt. Ow, I feel like I could cry. That actually hurt like a bitch. I can't actually find the lip gloss that I wanted to use. It was Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Amber.
And I thought it was in one of my hoodies, but it wasn't in there, so I'm pretty sure it's downstairs, and I can't be asked to go downstairs
and try and look for it when it might not even be there. I've just found some stuff that might create a similar look. I'm going in with the Milani All Natural lip liner first of all. I'm gonna fill that in with a mixture of, what is this? Serenity by Gerard Cosmetics. Shut up! Oh wait, I shouldn't tell them that. It's the old people. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with a mixture of Serenity by Gerard Cosmetics first of all. And then a little bit of Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star. And then I'm gonna apply Nymphette lip gloss by MAC. It's the prettiest lip gloss in the world. What do you guys think? Does that look similar? Cool. And then I'm gonna apply my lower lash mascara and fix my hair, and I will film the outro. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I just filmed my whole intro and outro and my lip gloss was smudged, so I'm currently filming it again. But yeah, that's it for today's video. So if you did enjoy it, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn on my little post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. And feel free to follow me on my social medias, they're in the description box. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy it, and have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you be in the world, and I love you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah.